decided I want a donut.
Yes!
And it is ready Wednesdays too, and Grandma is always prepared. Let's go! I've already made the dough. Let's put it in a mold and make delicious donuts. Closing it and waiting. I need to make some awesome donut dough. We make them out of flour, breaking an egg in there and kneading the dough, making it round, and let's put it into hot oil and wait for it to cook. Now it's my turn. Pouring my black as my soul dough into the machine. And here it is. All that's left is to come up with the most awful design. I need to sprinkle my donuts with powdered sugar to make them not only puffy but sweet. I need to get my donuts out of oil and drizzle something cool. I'm going to use colored glaze. Oh, oops, sorry. And some sprinkles. Done! Wow, this looks cool! I want to try Wednesday's donuts first. That's really yummy! Now my grandmother. Gotta try them soon.
Yes!
Wow! Yummy! And Enid. These are so colorful! Oh yeah! Delicious! But I've decided that the winner is Wednesday! It was awesome! Now I want fries. I hope everyone's ready. Great. Get started. Grandma, give me the vegetable peeler.
Sorry.
Oh, alrighty. Oh, what is that?
We'll get through the potatoes in no time. I'll make the fastest and tastiest ones. Grandma, can you help me? Oh.
Okay, baby. Here you go.
Now let's cut all of them into little pieces and paint them all rainbow colors. Great! Throwing them into the pan and… perfect! Let's put it on a plate in the shape of a rainbow, so Ken will definitely like it. Grandma, what do you think?
It's perfect, Enid. My fries are ready too. Let's try them now. Oh, let's put it right over here. And some ketchup. Grandma's already got everything ready. Oh, thank you, thank you. What does Wednesday have? I'm just about to be done. I need to put it on a plate and paint it the right color.
Cool!
That's horrible.
Nice!
Enid? Oh, okay, calm down.
Wow, that's a lot of fries! I definitely want to try this one. Rainbow fries look so cute. Let's check out its taste. Not bad.
Okay.
So, what is next? These are regular fries. Let's see. Wow, delicious! Black fries? That's unusual. Let's taste it. Ew, gross! Granny's are the most delicious ones! You're the winner! Granny, wake up! I finished my drawing and I want some pasta. Awesome! Let's get cooking!
I'm going to start with my spaghetti.
And I'll make my own spaghetti. Oh, it makes me want to sneeze! Oh, I'm all in flour. Excuse me. Oops. Let's get cooking. I'm gonna play around first. Oh, well, okay, that's enough. I'm gonna need the most perfect dough. Oh, it's beautiful. Now we'll roll out a couple of equal rounds from it. And now the most interesting thing. Coloring. In all your favorite colors. We'll let each piece go through a special machine and my rainbow noodles are ready. Awesome.
Are my noodles ready? Great. I'll just have to put it all on a plate. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, where's my eyesight? Where's the ketchup? Oh, what am I doing? Oh, thank you. Oh! Oh no! Not the right one! Oh, that's better. Ketchup and spaghetti. Thanks, Enid. Wednesday, what about you? I got my spaghetti cooked. I need to put it on a plate and dye them black. Oh, Hand, thank you. You always help me out. I'm definitely gonna need something else. That's exactly what I wanted. Let's put those fingers in there and some ketchup on top. Oh, it's scary. Oh, it definitely is. But my noodles are ready too. Done! Wow, what is that? Oh, this is very scary. Oh, no. I don't want that. Let's try the spaghetti first. Wow, yummy! What's in here? Wow, rainbow pasta. Cool! This is unbelievably delicious. Enid, you win! Really? Oh, thank you, sis. What? Now, I want some cacao. Can you make it? Sure. The easiest thing. While you're talking, I'm already starting. Pouring some cacao and milk into one spot and mixing it. Now straight into the mug. Done! Grandma, you really are the best. Oh, I'm going to make some chocolate cacao. And I'm gonna have the color too. It's so delicious. We put chocolate in a saucepan and melt it. We need to add more sugar to make it sweet.
Stop!
Oh, okay, Grandma. I'll put a little bit. See? Just a drop of sugar. She's not looking now. Great. Let's pour everything in. Kim will love it. Enid, I turned my back for a minute. Oh, that's right. I'm gonna move on. Oh, milk. I can't open it. Oh, come on. No! Oh, the milk is spilled out. But there's enough for cacao. Delicious frosting. Decorating the glass so Kim's sure to have a yummy treat. Some cacao, some whipped cream, and a bunch of candy. Done. How do you like my drink?
Cool.
Oh, thanks, Grandma. You guys are so cute. I'm grossed out. I'll be serving cacao in a skull glass.
Oh, no.
Granny, how do you like it? Scared you. Great. I need milk, cacao, and some blood. It's just syrup. Now we pour everything into the glass. Great. There should definitely be black cream and some yummy sprinkles on top. I'm all set.
Oh, no!
Let's hear Kim's opinion. So many cool things! I want to start with a cacao from Wednesday. It's so red, just like my hair. And this one is from my granny. Yummy! And this rainbow drink is definitely Enid's. It's delicious! And the winner is... Oh, tough choice. But... Enid!
Here comes the prize, a chocolate fountain. And here comes the special marker. No hands, please. You can't touch the markers. Ready? Time is on.
Come on!
We've got to grab the markers with our teeth. That's a challenge. Oh, I got it. Whoa. Oh. Wait, what? They're almost done drawing. Gotta hurry up. I'm the best at drawing. That's right.
Nice.
This is so challenging, but I'm trying really hard. Okay, nice and careful. It's not really working. I have an idea. I'll try drawing like this. Let's go. I'm gonna fall. That's it. It's not funny. I'll show you. I've got an idea. I'll take a feather and tickle her nose until she sneezes. My drawing! It's not funny! Take that!
Oh, that's so gross! Oh, the drool! It's stained my masterpiece!
I'm gonna ruin your drawing too!
Hey.
Well. Look at that! Time is up!
Look at my drawing!
What a terrible thing! And this one is even worse. Well, not bad. I guess you can take the price. There you go.
A real chocolate fountain!
It's so yummy.
We want to try too! Let's do this! Oh, it's so good! It's delicious! Hey! Oh, what a cute little doggy! Ew, that's poop!
Let's get started. Time is on.
Easy, I can do that. Okay, let's get started. Here's an idea. Smell my foot. Yep, it's a strong scent. And I'm going to paint with my toes this time. There we go.
And I'm going to draw with my elbows.
Come on!
Huh? Oh! Oops. Oh, my marker's gone. Have to get a new one right away. Oh, but it's hard. Monica's already drawn everything.
Ready? Time's up. Show me your masterpieces. So. Wow! Great job!
Hey!
Where am I? Oh, the drawing. Right. Could you please? How is it?
Horrible. Take the poo.
Oh, no. But why? It's so disgusting. I'm gonna have to taste it.
Gross!
Oh. Wait, this is delicious. Chocolate. I will eat the whole poop. Great. Do you want a piece? Do you want a piece? All right, I'll have more.
And now, a new task awaits you. Draw a fish.
Gross!
And you'll paint it with sauces. Good luck. Yum. Wow. Time is on.
I will open the cheese sauce first. That'll work for yellow. And now red, green, white. All right, we are good to go. Oh, sorry, that was an accident. It's time to get started. I'll take ketchup. It has a rich red color.
Awesome!
And the texture is just right. Yes! Wasabi sauce is perfect for my fish. Oops, not enough paint for my masterpiece. I'll have to get another color. Red. That works, too. Yeah, now this color. And this color. Ugh, it's beautiful. Great, a fish coming right up. I can't get anything. Oh, I know what to do. To speed things up, I'm using all 5 of my fingers. I'm a brilliant artist. Oh, it smells so good. I have to try it. A little bit won't work. It's too good.
Yes?
Oh, yeah.
That is so delicious!
Ew. Yes.
Oh, what is happening? Oh no! My drawing is ruined!
Time's up! Show me your drawings! Oh, that's very good. That is bad. Why didn't you draw anything?
Hey.
Get a rotten fish!
Oh, this smells so bad! It's just horrible! Ew. Oh, I have an idea.
Are you ready?
Let's fry it up! Oh, I think it's a little too much. Sorry. Let's start heating it up. Alrighty, ready to eat. It's a real delicacy. Truly amazing.
You see this little cutie?
Are you ready?
It's time to draw a kitten.
Okay.
But on your faces. Time to start. Meow. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, I love kittens.
Oh,
The nose is done. Now let's add the cat whiskers
Oh.
and ears.
Oh.
I would make a great kitten. 5 seconds and
cool.
it's done. There we go. And I'm gonna use an eyeliner on my eyes. And definitely on my face. I'm an expert in makeup.
Uh-oh.
Look at her! That's not fair! Since she's a cat, let's cure her with water! Let's wash all of her cool makeup! Oh yeah, let's do this! Oh! Oh no! Why did you do that? My makeup is ruined! That was fun! I have an idea. Hey, Lily. You're not doing a very good job on your makeup.
Oh.
Let me help you.
Try again.
Okay. This one here, this one there. All right, done. You look great. Like a kitten. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Are you ready?
Time is up. Let me see your face. Oh, goodness. It's really scary. And this is a nightmare. It doesn't look like a cat at all.
What?
Monica, you did the best. I'll have to give you this, cutie.
He's so adorable. Oh, I think I'm allergic. It's okay, Monica. We'll take care of him.
Oh.
What?
Okay, class, your first assignment is a robot. Whoever draws it best gets it.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow,
Let's go!
that's so cool! Time is on. Yay! Okay, what color should I pick? Let's go with purple. Now I'm going to quickly pop this out and… Oh, I'm an artist. I almost forgot about the ice. Okay, I think it's done. Amazing. All I have to do is glue it together with water. Yes! What? Chris! Oh, it's so cool! I got an idea. There we go!
What?
What did you do? Oh. There you go.
Hey, don't touch it! It's mine! No way!
You're so funny. And I have something cool. I got some drawings on my phone. Now I'll copy that.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
Quickly drawing a robot just like that. Done. Perfect.
Time is up! Show me your works!
Hey.
Hello?
Go.
Come on.
Max,
Let's go.
what do you have?
This fell apart.
Terrible. Okay, moving on. Chris!
I have nothing.
Did not expect it from you. Brittany?
Ta-da!
Well, Brittany wins! This robot goes to you.
Whoa! I'm so happy! Ooh, a winning dance! That's fun!
Your next assignment is a donut. Are you ready? Then let's go.
I'm so hungry. Awesome! I'm going to make a donut out of Scotch tape. Oh man, it's so sticky. Okay, first we need a circle. I'm amazing. And now some colored sprinkles. It doesn't look good, but whatever. It's not pretty at all. Oh, I think I came up with something. Where's my helmet? Okay, I need tools. First and foremost, of course, we're gonna do some measurements. Okay, it's clear. Now we need to do a circle. Look, I'm going to have the perfect one. Now we're going to put on some Scotch tape. Colored sprinkles, of course. Oh, do you see that? Oh, I have to think. Oh, right! I'll stick the sprinkles right on the duct tape. And it will be a donut. It's weird, but I guess it will work.
Oh, tie this up. Show me your drawings. Brittany?
That's my work.
Mamma mia! Why is it so bad? Okay, Max, you? Check it out! Okay, Chris?
Ta-da!
Oh, wow!
Yes!
That's a winner! There you go, your prize!
Awesome! It's so huge! I'm going to cut off the most appetizing piece. It's got my favorite strawberry filling in it. Awesome! I just can't stop. It is mega delicious. Oh, she's so greedy. Whatever.
Your new prize, animation!
Oh, what a cutie!
Time is on! Ooh, Oreo! Whoever came up with the idea of drawing with cookies is a genius! 1 second and it'll be done! Oh, well, I'm gonna try again. This is so good! And I'm so hungry!
You're about to eat it all. Okay, I think it's time to start drawing. And I'll do it in a different way. First, we need 2 bowls. And separating the cookie from the white filling. That's it. Now I can easily draw with the filling. Oh, look at this cutie. Yes! And with the rest of the cookies, I'm going to make some dark spots. Oh, so beautiful! Oh, my eyes! Look! What do you think? Okay, I need to do the best drawing ever. I made some cookie crumbs with the help of a hammer. Awesome! Oh, look at that! We've got the face! Blowing out all the excess and… yeah! Check it out! Cool! Hey! We're running out of time! Don't worry! I have a needle! I've got to make it like that! Okay! Almost done! Okay!
Ready?
Got it!
Show me the drawings, guys!
Okay.
How do you like my doggy?
Not bad, Brittany, but let's see the rest of you. Oh, that's amazing, Chris. Okay, Max, what did you do? Ooh, that's a masterpiece! Oh, thank you, teacher! This is the best day of my life! Hey,
no.
hands up! Don't be afraid, sweetie. And the next prize, a crown! Whoever draws it best gets it.
That's crazy!
And that's it! Hurry up! Time is on!
Oh, don't even bother, Chris. I'm going to… Oh, that's hot. I'm going to do the best crown on this wooden plank. What? Max! Oh, he's drawing so much better.
That's an airplane. I wish I could get one.
No, thank you. Oh, that's incredible! What's the smell? Oh, no, my crown is burning! No. What do I do? Max, help me!
Okay, you got it. One moment. It's pretty easy to draw a crown.
Wow, where did you learn how to do that?
You like it?
Of course! Thank you, my hero!
And stop! Time is up! Okay, Brittany, show me what you've got. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Max? Cool airplane, but that's not a crown.
No.
Whatever! Chris, what about you?
Ta-da! What do you think?
Bravo, that's marvelous! You've won, and you get the golden crown.
Wow, thank you! I've always wanted one of those. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. That's hilarious, ladies and gentlemen.
That's funny!